Hi everyone, and welcome back to the channel. First off, I hope you're all feeling fantastic today. Take a deep breath, stay hydrated, and let's dive into something truly magical. Ever held a tiny seed in your hand and wondered how this speck can turn into a massive oak tree or a juicy tomato plant? It seems like a miracle, but it's actually science in action. Today, we're unraveling the mystery. How do seeds grow? Get ready, we're about to explore nature's hidden superheroes. Imagine a seed as a tiny survival pod, like a spaceship designed to protect life until it finds the perfect spot to bloom. Inside every seed, there's a baby plant called an embryo, packed tightly with a lunchbox of nutrients and wrapped in a protective coat. This coat is tough. It shields the embryo from harsh weather, hungry insects, and even time itself. Some seeds can sleep for years, decades, or even centuries, just waiting for the right moment to wake up. So, what wakes them up? It's all about the perfect party conditions. Think of it like this: seeds need 3 key guests to show up: water, warmth, and oxygen. When you plant a seed in soil and give it a good drink, water seeps through the coat, softening it. This is like the seed saying, "Okay, it's go time." The water plumps up the embryo, kind of like how raisins turn into grapes when you soak them. Next, warmth tells the seed, hey, winter's over, it's safe to come out now. And oxygen? That's the energy booster. Just like we need air to breathe, seeds use oxygen to fuel their first big growth spurt. Now, here's where the magic kicks into high gear. Once the seed swells and cracks open, the embryo sends out its first root, called a radicle, straight down into the soil. This root isn't just an anchor, it's a superhighway for sucking up water and minerals. Meanwhile, a tiny shoot pushes upward, fighting gravity to reach the sunlight. Ever seen a seedling bend toward a window? That's it, hunting for light. But how does it know which way is up? Plants have built-in GPS. Cells at the root tips sense gravity, while the shoot follows light like a compass. At this stage, the seedling is still munching on those stored nutrients from its lunchbox. But soon, it needs real food. That's when the first leaves, called cotyledons, unfurl. They might not look like regular leaves. Some are thick and fleshy, like bean seeds, while others are thin, like lettuce. These baby leaves are solar panels, capturing sunlight to kickstart photosynthesis. Remember our chat about chlorophyll? That green pigment starts working overtime here, turning sunlight into sugar. Now the plant isn't just surviving, it's cooking its own meals. But growth isn't a straight line. Seeds face drama worthy of a reality show. If the soil's too cold or soggy, the seed might rot. If it's too dry, the embryo goes back to sleep. Birds or bugs might try to snack on it. And even if it sprouts, shade from bigger plants can starve it of light. That's why plants make thousands of seeds, only a few need to win the survival lottery. Over weeks, roots branch out like underground cities, gathering water and whispering secrets to neighboring plants through fungal networks. The stem thickens, growing upward and sprouting new leaves. Hidden inside the stem are tiny pipelines. Xylem tubes haul water from roots to leaves, while phloem tubes ship sugar back down to the roots. It's a 24/7 delivery service. Then comes the grand finale, reproduction. Adult plants grow flowers or cones, attracting pollinators with colors, scents, or nectar. When pollen meets an egg, new seeds form inside fruits or cones. These seeds get scattered by wind, water, animals, or even exploding pods. Look up touch-me-not plants, they're wild. And the cycle begins again. Why does this matter to you? Seeds are silent giants of our world. They feed us, rice, wheat, veggies, heal us, medicines like aspirin come from willow trees, and even shape our history. Think of how cotton or coffee changed civilizations. In a single apple seed, there's the blueprint for an entire orchard. That's the power of patience and perfect design. So next time you bite into an apple or plant a sunflower, remember, you're holding a universe of potential. Seeds teach us that big things start small, resilience is built in, and nature's been nifty long before humans showed up. Thanks for hanging out today. If this sparked your curiosity, smash that like button, subscribe for more wonder-filled deep dives, and share your seed stories below. Stay awesome, stay growing, and I'll catch you in the next video.